In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prevent location access on LinkedIn. If you use LinkedIn on your desktop browser and you want to make sure the site can't access your location, this is a very simple setting to change. It only takes a moment, and it's a good option if you want a little more privacy while browsing. To begin, open LinkedIn in your browser on your computer. Once the page is loaded, direct your attention to the URL bar at the top of the browser window, where the website address appears. On the left side of that URL bar, you should see a small Settings style icon. Depending on the browser you're using, this may look slightly different, but it's usually easy to spot next to the website address. Go ahead and click that icon. This opens a small menu with options related to the current website. From that menu, select Site Settings. This is where your browser stores permissions for that specific site, including things like notifications, camera access, microphone access, and location. Once you're in the Site Settings area, you'll see a list of permissions and controls for LinkedIn. Take a moment to scroll if needed and look for the location setting. This is the permission that determines whether LinkedIn is allowed to access your device's location through the browser. When you find the location option, change its permission to block. By setting it to block, you're telling your browser not to let LinkedIn access your location information. This can be helpful if you prefer not to share your physical location with websites unless it's absolutely necessary. After you make that change, the new setting is usually saved automatically, so you don't need to do anything else. You can simply close the Settings tab or return to LinkedIn and continue using it as normal. And that's it. LinkedIn will no longer be able to access your location through your browser as long as this permission remains blocked. If you ever want to change it back in the future, you can return to the same Site Settings page and update the location permission again. That's all there is to it, a quick and easy privacy adjustment that can help you stay more in control of your browsing experience on LinkedIn.